You can expect a lot from the 2014 Acura RDX. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out amidst intense competition in the mid-size SUV segment. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, high-intensity discharge headlights, power moonroof, and power front seats. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.